Hello everyone, this is Vibhuti Arora, your face tools and face yoga practitioner. A lot of you wonder how to get those perfect model-like cheekbones or get rid of your double chin, get a chiseled jawline. Well, today I want to introduce a face tool called the GuaSha. The GuaSha is a fat-cutting, jaw-sculpting, cheekbone sculpting tool which is actually a little miracle worker to give you those perfect cheekbones that we all always desired. It comes in two stones, the Jade and the rose quartz. I keep getting asked this question, what is the difference between the two? Well, the Jade is stone of eternal youth and helps in moisture absorption 3 times into the skin, whereas the rose quartz is the stone of love. If you love yourself, self-love is something that we must ponder upon and helps in moisture absorption 5 times into the skin. Once you've applied face oil all over your face, use the GuaSha, the indented side, place it along your jawline and place the stone as flat as possible and start to sculpt, cutting through the fat, lifting the skin upwards like this 6 times. Then you place it on your zygomatic or your cheek muscle, sculpt and lift 6 times again. You use the larger side of the GuaSha, place it flat along your nasolabial to lift like this and tuck the loose skin 6 times again. Use the pointed side of the GuaSha to first do circles to break through the lymphatic fluid that may have accumulated, and then you place your stone like this as flat as possible to lift and drain the lymphatic fluid out of your body to get those perfect eyes or under eyes. You then use the larger side of the GuaSha to iron out any wrinkles on your forehead or your brow lines like this. You could also use the indented side of the GuaSha to give yourself a little bit of an acupressure massage and lift any stress or anxiety out. You could use this side to actually chisel your nose muscles which get lethargic or get fat or loose over time. So you use this to tone and nudge those muscles every now and then possible. You use the larger side in lifting the nose muscles again so that we don't get a joint hook of the nose as we like to call it. You then use the larger side of the GuaSha in a downward motion like this. Now many times that people say that you must use the GuaSha upwards as well. I personally refrain from this because as you can see it gives an illusion of a double chin, and hence I like to do a downward lymphatic drainage massage, pushing any loose skin further down, thus tightening my neck muscles. You remember, before you start your GuaSha, you must always have a face oil onto your skin. You use this 3 times a week and you must clean your face tool. Cleaning your face tool is essential because without facial hygiene, your own facial sweat and bacteria can actually give you an acne mark or a pimple spot the next time you use. That's my GuaSha tip for you. Happy pampering!